Data is everywhere, but turning it into meaningful business insights is what drives real impact. In just a few minutes, you'll learn how to create a professional list report that helps organizations organize data, monitor performance, and make faster business decisions. We'll begin by creating a new report. Users can choose from a variety of templates and themes to create reports that match their specific business and presentation needs. In this video, we'll build a list report that transforms detailed retail data of coffee sales and marketing into a structured and easy-to-analyze business view. Here, users can quickly build reports using intuitive drag-and-drop interface. The plus menu provides multiple options, giving teams the flexibility to transform raw data into meaningful, business-ready insights. We bring in product categories, product groups, product types, and pricing information. Cognos Analytics starts converting raw operational data into meaningful business intelligence. Now the report design is complete. With just one click, Cognos Analytics generates a fully interactive report, making business data easier to explore and analyze. You can also use the navigation controls here to jump directly to the top or bottom of the report. Interactive navigation capabilities further improve usability by allowing users to move through large datasets with ease. Thank you for watching.